Hey, hello, Anton here. I'm founder KONE.VC, and this video I share with you how I create AI operation system inside ChatGPT. And here is my useful 4 scenarios. First scenario, I highly like workflow agents. It helps me to improve every day my advertising in Meta ads. Here is how it works. It's a run. And next one, she's shared with me executive summary. What's good, what's not good, what's a change from the previous run, and recommended improvement, what he can recommend to do every day, and next steps. For me, it's super useful information because if we change only one little things every day for the 1 month. It's a lot of activities and super useful thing. I share this thing a little bit later. Next one, I don't write the prompts in the ChatGPT no more. I write only what I need, for example, church, and after that I have the big documents for 14 pages in English, in Russian, and it based on and placed on the Google Docs. Wow. No prompts, only one little small thing what we need, and it's done. Next one. I am creator and I working with YouTube and other platforms, social media platform, and I need to work with this more faster and smarter. What I'm doing, I'm using skills, and here is YouTube Growth Optimizer, my skills to working with YouTube, and I have find a lot of useful things. It's a title, it's the next one, recommendation, it's a description, it's a chapters, keywords, recommendation about thumbnails, and yep, and strategic recommendation. But it's not all. And the last one, after it, first comment, that's all. And after it, I write, here is a post to my social media. I'm using skills to write posts of the different languages. It's X writing. Next one, it's LinkedIn viral writer, and it's all inside your AI operation system. Now I share with you information how it works and what you can do inside your ChatGPT and how you can work better. Let's start from the agents. Workflow agents. What is this? Here is workflow agent. For me, it's Meta Ads. Here is I have apps. I have Meta Ads, and you can browse other app and connect here. I'm using skills. Here is a paid ads operator. It's a special skill trained on the paid advertising, and especially in Meta Ads, give me some clear feedback of my data. And next one, it's a memory. I use memory inside, and my agent understand what's changed from the previous run. Yeah, and super useful. Next one, it's instruction about the role, scheduled review, metric judgment, output format, and so on. All inside. Next one, automation when it run. And if you have the some task and you need to automate it, you don't have a lot of time to see with this and work with it. Workflow agents in ChatGPT can support you very well without anything, and you don't need to pay anything for example for the additional tokens, because it's included to your subscription, and it's good one. One more step. I have my learning platform on the website app.kone.vc. Inside you can find courses, a lot of information for industries, for department, and it's all for free. You can see course about implementation, ChatGPT ads, workflow agents, about the skills. What I'm sharing information today, it's inside these things. And by industry, you have all industries in the United States and department for executive sales, marketing, and so on. And 3 additional points. The first one, I like OpenAI partner. I can share with you referral links. You can see, you can click here. It's open ChatGPT, and inside you can find one free license for 4 years. Yep, you can add your business workspace and start working with a ChatGPT with no payment. Next one, it's AI audit. You can work with my pre-trained model and the human in the loop. I working with your data for $49. So you can get useful report about your business and without a lot of insights. Yep, insight, right? And the last one, if you want to implement AI in your business, please feel free to ask me. It's 90 minutes implementation sessions with me. You can book it without any problem. Everything for free in this platform, and I came back to my second feature, how I work with ChatGPT without prompting. I'm using something interesting. I'm using projects, and inside the project, I use custom instruction. And with the custom instruction, you have the brilliant information. You share all these things about what you need, about the connection inside. When you need to share it, here is you need to translate, and yep, how it works. I can create a custom instruction builder, and here is I use a skill for writing custom instruction. It's super useful, and I can work without any problem. And I highly recommend to work with you. Yep, all this thing. And the last one. The same situation about the skills. Here is a use skills and how you can create skills for your needs, because I know you can find a lot of useful tasks for the skills. I recommend to use skill creator. Next one, how you work. Hey, hello, please create for me the skill for example, Instagram content. Please write in my style and so on. Yep, you only describe what you need, and here is inside you create the skill. If you need, you can pre-train the skill on your data. For example, on your Google Drive, you can share special documents like your pages, maybe books and so on. And it's pre-trained in your data. In next one, for example, he can create a post to the Instagram or other social media, or for example, something else with your data, with your context, and it's work very well. I highly recommend it for everybody. Last one about how it works. AI sales coach. Yeah, it's the same. I'm share with them my transcript from the Loom, and he analyze it with our AI sales coach, pre-train on my data, and without a lot of prompt inside what I need, what I want to improve with myself. And I highly recommend the same situation. It's how to say skill creator, and the next one you can find a lot of useful data. Yep. Okay, on this stage, it's all what I want to share with you. Next week, I plan to make the webinar. Please feel free to enroll these things. Go to the KONE Learnings, inside a lot of useful data, and I update it every day, every week. And I highly recommend for everybody. It's for free, without anything. And I have a lot of projects to implement AI to the industry or department. And if you want to automate your company, if you want to implement AI in your company, please feel free to ask. Go to the implementation session. You can book the convenient time for you, and we can work with you without any problem. Right. Okay, super. My name is Anton. Nice to meet you. In the comments, you can find all links to our learning platform, to my email, to our website, LinkedIn, and so on. And if you want something, feel free to ask me for everything. And thanks for watching. See you on the next video, and bye bye, guys.